नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत विश्व का सबसे पुराना और ताकतवर देश का लोकतंत्र कर रहा था और उस लोकतंत्र के मंदिर में सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र का नुमाइंदा प्रधानमंत्री बोल रहा था। नरेंद्र मोदी के भाषण के हर पंक्ति पर तालियां तो बजी ही, लोगों ने स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन भी दिया। नरेंद्र मोदी भारत की पहचान है और अगर गौर करें तो मोदी का पॉकेट स्क्वायर भी तिरंगे के रंग में भारतीयता दिखा रहा था। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने अमेरिकी कांग्रेस को संबोधित करते हुए परोक्ष रूप से पाकिस्तान पर प्रहार किया और आतंकवाद के मुद्दे पर जमकर यूएस कांग्रेस में बात की।
Before arriving in Washington DC, I had visited Herat in western Afghanistan to inaugurate Afghan-India Friendship Dam built with Indian assistance. I was also there on the Christmas Day last year to dedicate to that proud nation, its parliament, a testimony to our democratic ties. Afghans naturally recognize that the sacrifices of America have helped create a better life. But your contribution in keeping the region safe and secure is deeply appreciated by even beyond. And India too has made an enormous contribution and sacrifices to support our friendship with Afghan people. A commitment to rebuild a peaceful and stable and prosperous Afghanistan is our shared objective. 8 distinguished members, not just in Afghanistan, but elsewhere in South Asia and globally, terrorism remains the biggest threat. In the territory stretching from west of India's border up to Africa, it may go by different names, from Lashkar-e-Taiba to Taliban to ISIS, but its philosophy is common of hate, murder, and violence. Although it is a shadow spreading across the world, it is incubated in India's neighborhood. I commend the members of the US Congress for sending a clear message to those who preach and practice terrorism for political gains. Refusing to reward them is the first step towards holding them accountable for their actions. The fight against terrorism has to be fought at many levels, and the traditional tools of military intelligence or diplomacy alone would not be able to win this fight. Mr. Speaker, we have both lost civilians and soldiers in combating terrorism. The need of the hour is for us to deepen our security cooperation and base it on a policy that isolates those who harbor, support, and sponsor terrorists. That does not distinguish between good and bad terrorists, and that delinks religion from terrorism. Also, for us to succeed, those who believe in humanity must come together to fight for it as one and speak against these menace in one voice.
मोदी यूएस कांग्रेस में बोल रहे थे। सामने सबसे ताकतवर देश के सांसद मौजूद थे। ऐसे में मोदी ने सांसदों को भारत और अमेरिका के इतिहास के मेल खाने वाले तत्वों को याद किया और सांसदों को बताया।
Distinguished members, engagement between our two democracies has been visible in the manner in which our thinkers impacted one another and shaped the course of our societies. Thoreau's idea of civil disobedience influenced our political thoughts. And similarly, the call by the great sage of India, Swami Vivekananda, to embrace humanity was most famously delivered in Chicago. Gandhi's non-violence inspired the heroism of Martin Luther King. Today, a mere distance of 3 miles separates the Martin Luther King Memorial at Tidal Basin from the statue of Gandhi at Massachusetts Avenue. This proximity of the memorials in Washington mirrors the closeness of ideals and value they believe in. The genius of Dr. Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar was nurtured in the years he spent at the Columbia University a century ago. The impact of US Constitution on him was reflected in his drafting of the Indian Constitution some 3 decades later. Our independence was ignited by the same idealism that fueled your struggle for freedom. No wonder then that former Prime Minister of India, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, called India and the US natural allies. No wonder that the shared ideals and common philosophy of freedom shape the bedrock of our ties. No wonder then that President Obama has called our ties the defining partnership of the 21st century. Mr. Speaker, more than 15 years ago, Prime Minister Vajpayee stood here and gave a call to step out of the shadow of hesitation of the past. The pages of our friendship since then tell a remarkable story. Today, our relationship has overcome the hesitations of history. comfort, candor, and convergence define our conversations. Through the cycle of elections and transitions of administration, the intensity of our engagements has only grown. And in this exciting journey, the US Congress has acted as its compass. You have helped us turn barriers into bridges of partnership.
यूएस कांग्रेस में बार बार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के बीच अमेरिकी सांसदों ने खड़े होकर प्रधानमंत्री की कई बातों का अभिनंदन किया। अपने 45 मिनट के भाषण में उन्होंने भारत और अमेरिका के बढ़ते संबंधों से जुटे सभी महत्वपूर्ण आयामों की चर्चा की।
In the fall of 2008, when the Congress passed the India-US Civil Nuclear Cooperation Agreement, it changed the very colors of leaves of our relationship. We thank you for being there when the partnership needed you the most. You have also stood by us in times of sorrow. India will never forget the solidarity shown by the US Congress when terrorists from across our border attacked Mumbai in November of 2008. And for this, we are grateful. Mr. Speaker, I'm informed that the working of the US Congress is harmonious.
मोदी ने मुंबई आतंकी हमले को लेकर भी अमेरिका की तारीफ की। नरेंद्र मोदी के भाषण के दौरान जबरदस्त तालियां बजती रही और भाषण खत्म होने के बाद अमेरिकी सांसदों ने ऑटोग्राफ भी लिया। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।